We have entered a new era where technology and society are intersecting beyond anything we could have imagined. We have the opportunity to solve the world's biggest problems through technology. We just have to take the right steps to get there. Now is the time for some of the biggest social, political, and philosophical decisions to be made. At the Assembly, we bring together the greatest architects of technology, global captains of industry, and key policymakers to shape the future together. Join us for the third edition of the Assembly at TNW Conference on May 9th and 10th, 2019.